For today's video, we're going to explain the color coding resistor. Give example on the 4 bands, 5 bands, 6 bands. So, let's start. Coding started. Identify the first colored band. This is the question that usually arises for because we can start calculating the resistance from the resistor color code if we can get the reading direction right in the first place. Fortunately, the resistor color code has some visual clues that give the answer away. The most obvious way to this is that there is an increased space that occurs before the fluorescence, but the bands are not regularly spaced apart and can be seen as a being grouped into two. Put the larger group on the left and read the register from left to right. The first band is actually always closest to the end, but this may not be the case all the time. If you find a gold or silver color band on your resistor, it is definitely the tolerance band and the last band on the resistor, so they belong to the right side of the resistor. And again, read the resistor from left to right. Also, be sure to check your manufacturer's documentation to be sure about the resistor color code shoes. If you know of the why above A are helpful, you can also rely on a multimeter to measure the resistance. Sometimes this might be the only way to figure out the resistance, especially when the color bands are scratched or worn off. Calculating resistor color codes. 3-band resistor color code. For a 3-band resistor color code, the first 2 bands always denote the first 2 digits of the resistance value, while the 3rd band represents the multiplier. In the example, we have the bands are brown, black, and brown. The first band in the brown band closest to the edge. We look up our resistor color code chart and find the brown as the first significant value of 1 and black has the second significant value of 0. The 3rd band is brown, which means that the multiplier is 1. Using the formula, the resistance is thus calculated to be as the 3-band resistor has no fault tolerance, but the default tolerance is taken to be at 20. 4-band resistor color code. The 4-band resistor color code is the most commonly used resistor, similar to the 3 band, the first two bands always give the first two digits of the resistance value. The third band represents the multiplier while the fourth band represents tolerance. For a four-band resistor color code, we can begin by first finding the tolerance band. It is usually gold or silver. The tolerance band is also easily identified due to the increased gap between the tolerance band and the multiplier band. It is example. It is gold and thus give a tolerance of 15% when we look up the resistor color code chart. Starting from the other and the first band is thus identified to be brown, which has a first significant digit of 1. The second band is red and has a second significant digit of 2. The third band is green, which means that the multiplier is 10. Using the multiplier, the resistance obtained is 12 times 15 cubed 5 equals 1,200 kilometer ohms. Lastly, the tolerance band, which we identified to be gold, give a tolerance value of 15%. Sometimes for a 4-band resistor color code, the tolerance band can be left blank, resulting in a 3-band resistor. In this case, the resistance value would remain the same, except that the tolerance would be 20% as if it a 3-band resistor. 5-band resistor color code. 5-band resistor are resistor with higher precision, and they have an extra band of a third significant digit. As such, the first 3 bands donate the significant digit of the resistance, and everything else shift to right, making the fourth band the multiplier and the fifth band the tolerance. In this example, the tolerance band is brown and is identified by the increased space between itself and the multiplier band from the resistance color code chart. We obtain a tolerance value of 1% for brown. Beginning from the other end, the first band and second band is yellow and violet, which give the first and second significant digit of 4 and 7 respectively. The extra third band is blue, and so the third significant digit is 5. The fourth band is black and give the multiplier value of 10. Using the formula, we can the resistance value of 475 times 10 equals 775 ohms. 6 band resistor color codes. A 6 band resistor is essentially a 5 band resistor with an extra ring that donates the temperature, coefficient, or sometimes the failure rate. The most common color for the 6 band is from 100 PMK, which means that for every 10 change in temperature, the resistance value changed by 0.1%. So, that's all, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for watching.